Hello, good evening. My name is Sanjeev from Bangladesh. I am 32 years old. My religion is Hindu. I live in a village named Pirozpur and division name is a Borishal. This is also my permanent address. I belong to a family, 5 members. My sister is a younger than me. My father's name is Krishna Kanto Mrida and he is a farmer. Bangladesh is a river country and most of the people are employed with agriculture work. My mother name is Sadhana Rani and she is a housewife. Now I am going to inform you about educational qualification. I have completed my SSC higher secondary education from Pirozpur Govt Akhtaruddin College. Now I work in a restaurant as kitchen helper, but I interest go to about and grow up career in three and I am in interest for this. So that is for today. I think will meet for soon. Have a good day. Thank you.
ওইটা আগেরটাও তো এটা